When you're moving industrial equipment worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, your crating company needs to pass more than a Google search. Here's what the checklist should actually look like. Not all crating companies are the same. The first thing to look for is engineering capability. Does your provider design from blueprints or guess from experience? For semiconductor and electronics freight, anti-static and ESD-safe packaging isn't optional. A provider without this capability puts your equipment at risk before it leaves the building. Check their compliance credentials. ISPM 15, vapor barrier protection, and Mil-Spec capability are non-negotiable benchmarks for industrial and for international shipments. Can they come to you? On-site crating is critical for equipment that can't be moved to a facility, large machinery, installed systems, or fragile fab tools. The right crating company reduces your risk exposure, eliminates damage claims, and ensures your equipment arrives ready to perform, not ready for a warranty call.